Yes, my people, welcome back. You know, then at the harbor, yeah. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Better than yesterday. I go fishing yesterday. You people see shark match me up wicked. Whole heap of boat out upon the redfish them this morning. Low wind today. I feel a little bit and to 11 you know, and the wind low. Not chop not upon the water yet. So who's to ever I do the redfish today? Them a go have a lovely day. Yeah, man. Sorry I ain't to them ago. Maybe would have work out better. Yeah, but there, this guy see the settings. When I gonna see it to them, and I no gears with me. No gears whatsoever. You know? Yeah, drive, I go check somebody down the line, so. You got me just do one little small video. And I go be a long video, but short. You know? A few people ask what type of boat and you know they use, you know, people curious to know what type of boat and you know. But you give a little run through of the boat, just a small little run through, you know. And yeah, people say it's a nice boat, good semi-offshore boat, you know. You can go when you have like sea like where with little trap in it and then we there, this a boat can manage, you know. As you people see me out enough time and some big swell and me a fish no problem. Yeah, man, the boat I make for that. Yeah, it's a aqua sports, 20-foot aqua sports. Yeah. Believe 95, yeah, 95. Yeah. 1995 20-foot aqua sports. Yeah, man, it's a semi-offshore boat. You know, it make you go a little bit offshore when, you know, when weather not bad. You know, dedicated to between the harbour and the bay them like how they make certain bay boat. Like some of the Boston wheel of them. This one have the high rise bow. You know. You can take big swell. Have a high bow, you know. Yeah, man. And 20 foot on the beam hour. Why beam again? Remember, but it broad. You know, broad. Probably about me can lay down crossway. Some fish pot with me have here, so. I can lay down crossway so with ease. And me have 5 foot, about 6. Yeah, so it about 8-foot beam boat. Remember, if you look on the papers again. Whole heap of broadness and yeah, good enough length. I have 2 hatches so. And you can't put anything you want in them. And I have like me clean up soap and anything there. Extra rope, this and that and the next bigger hatch, this hatch I know I want cooler this. But I don't use it as that still. This can I use as an ice box. Big, as the people can see. Bigger than any cooler than most people that use for fishing, you know? It's an overboard, drain overboard, you know, drain in the boat. So if you have water or anything in it, it drain overboard. And see your next hatch, just like this. So it have 2 storage. This can, 2 of them, the whole 3 of them drain overboard. You can use as cooler same way. It's store fishing. And me usually do that. That one is real big. So 3 storage, anchor lock out there so. Anchor in it. Lock up in it with the rope and sitting. Me install this when me da White River, me usually use that to come through the river mouth. It's a wrench. And even if it still work, it brand new me put it on here and me use it must about 2 times. From me move from a White River, I don't really use it back. It's supposed to work, maybe the wire they want to clean up. Brand new wrench, water just sea water, just take a whole light. Yeah man, and this is a seat here so. This is a seat with a next storage. This is not a cooler. It is a storage. So I have a whole heap of life jacket. I have over 15 life jacket in here so now. Yeah, man. So it's a seat in front of the control. You know? Whole heap me keep your life jacket them in eye. This is inside of the controller, the wiring in there, so you know. You see the T-top. You know. Whole heap of niceness to this boat, yeah. Yeah. T-top and storage box, yeah, so you can store anything up here, so you anything at all you have right now and no water going nowhere near. You know, it's a box well sealed up. You know. You have a piece of plastic around it. So this is plastic, yeah. Most of the thing them up, this strap them hold the plastic up. I just make it just use different strap and hold them back, but simple thing that this blackout all our spray. You see, you know, QC for your drive. I go down in the shallow, yeah, so too much. I come out. Yeah, you know, QC for your drive, you know, get no spray behind you. So two somebody can stand up here so me there with ease. The driver and a passenger. Stand up here so with ease, you know, get no spray. As the plastic blackout, all of that. Yeah. You see me out there in the rough most time, you know? Yeah, man. So, storage box, this here, so. I have two of them here. I have a smaller one to this. See where you go here. Yeah. This is a depth finder, everybody in one. You know? My turn here, hold on, because I don't want the transducer, you know. This is the transducer, down in the water. Where I keep it, I have it on this, so I draw the pin, slide it down when I'm ready. And when I not use it, I slide it up. So, you know, grow, no whole heap of growth on it, you know, whole heap of seed growth. And two of them there on it, two transducers. See, next transducer, yeah. They down there, so see it? Still good, but whole heap of growth there on you want clean off, you know, and then every time I clean the boat bottom, then get clean. Still good, work good same way. But when you in the water like that, the one day you have to clean it often. But this no, you don't have to clean this none at all, because this no stay down in the water. When I use it, jot the pin should be down, lock it back and open it up, and you know. But the next one, yeah, I have to do that. And yeah, so the next one wire, yeah man. So the next one, this is the next transducer wire. You can use with this same or you use it with the next. So a two garment unit me have, you know. Two of them. Yeah, the next one go there so same. Yeah man. And this about a power with a 75 4-stroke, Yamaha 4-stroke. Yeah, I believe this is one 04, 2004 Yamaha 4-stroke, 75. Yeah man. Look just like the 115 same here. And on average me get like 25, 28 miles per hour. On good flat day. This engine run well good. Never have no issue with this engine from I got here. I have this engine over a year now. Never have an issue with it. I do every now and then me service, you know. I change the oil one time when me just get him put fresh oil and fresh filter and everything in it. And in it fresh plug. And about 3 months ago I change the oil plug on everybody again, fresh filter. So that's how I do it. Keep it clean, you know. The engine there have one plate on it. The cavitation plate so. Then call that thing there. He use it make the boat go up and plane quicker. So this it go off quick, you know. But you quint this a boat up and plane when you drive off. Yeah. Clear. You drive down in a rock down here, so you know. A rock there one mark. Whole heap of stone there and then they shallow. Yeah, so the boat, you know. You people can see me have one dive step. This is our next nice feature of the boat that me like again. When me go spearfishing, if me use the boat for spearfishing, me have this way come up back on. Nice dive step, this aluminum. Better than what you would get for most average boat as a dive step. This you only get them a boat upon, step upon like scuba diving boat, tourists go out in boat, you know. Real strong step. And what else there? Yeah, next feature we have 2 gas tank. Yeah man, we have one 35 gallon underneath the floor here, so. And we have this me set it so still. Cause me actually do a lot of work on a boat before I put it in the water, you know. So, see what go on? Me I use this red buckle because only when me I go like far sea me use the big tank. Load it on the side there, so. So me can choose which tank I want to use. So right now see this on, so me I use this. If I want to use this, me turn off this and turn on that. You know, go to a gas filter there, so then you go to a water separator filter. You separate water from fuel, and you will see it in the bottom, then you go to the engine. Next favorite part of this boat are this. This stop all of the big wave them from coming out the boat. The boat I get a whole heap of upgrade, you know. If you research it, the 20-foot aqua sport, you not have that chaff thing here, so, you know. And me do this, me put in this. So whatever we have broke in, it just broke and just get in here, so. If you see me a fish enough time, you see me so full of water because the water come over. You ain't gonna further in here, so. To step up this area. Have a hole where drain out. Watch again, man. Reverse, man. Go reverse off of this. Man. Come up. The boat will float shallow too, you know. 1 foot of water. Breeze will blow me down in the stone then so make you go and reverse up. Yeah. Well, it's there. That's about it. A nice bow rail up on the front seam, you know. They have speaker where you see them two pieces of blue round blue thing there. Speaker supposed to do this about. I install a music on the boat. I'm interested in that. Yeah. This is the gauge for the engine, this tell the RPM. And this is the main tank fuel gauge working fine, but you can see empty. See turn on, red light in eye, but empty now, you know? Fuel now in eye. Them ain't work. Get a boat with them, they may have some of that whole thing with the panel for a long time. And 2 belch pump, 2 of them. 2 auto belch pump in there. You never see me really turn them on because them pump by themselves, but them have switch. If the auto feature stop work, you can use the 2 switch them so. You know. Other switch them there so help trim up the engine and trim it down. And yeah. That's about it. I don't see nothing else on the boat, yeah. Hydraulic steering. Pump there so. So steering on a cable. So I use hydraulics. That thing I so. This is the plate where I mount the engine to the thing. I did make this, but me get the right one feet. I just say time me not get yet, that's why I not put on it. But this work good still. This is one regular iron me did get well and make this. But me get the right aluminum piece you're supposed to go here. So. On the hydraulics jack. Me just now get that there. Me just now get the time to put on it. Every time I tell myself say me I go put on it, I say, me nah put yarn down in the belch. 2 belch pump down there. 2 of them working fine. See that thing turn on that one. Alright, so me turn on the one there. Two of them working fine, you know? Go water. That I found me wash out the boat yesterday. Yeah, that's about it. Actually, this is in the control, see me. Hydraulic, all of the wire and them with the hose them also. In here, so the battery go. Two big battery inside, and the tool pan, fire extinguisher. And we have all of the safety gears then. Flares in there too. Oh shit. That's what we're saying at the sitting reach, man. We in this thing reach, I say, you know. But we reach so far away, I say. Come out still. Yes, my people. So this is the nice boat, you know. This is the nice boat that I have use. Enough people ask about it. There's some marks, see boy there. That's so shallow bad. But as I said, the boat is running in shallow water. And I do have to just cock up the engine like that. And you can navigate through more shallow place, you know. Well, yeah, I see nothing different. I'm a little chair. Need to change a chair. I build one leaning post in here. From last year, I said I do it. I don't know I can't do it. And rod holders, most importantly, on a fishing boat. You only come with two rod holders. There's only two of them I get. Them 1, 2. But me install this and that and that and that. So me install 4 more. Them one are very important because them for troll with and use with the redfish. Cause if you don't notice, my rod them I use on the electric wheel and I bend but them. Straight rod. So them the regular one couldn't work. So them have some vertical. I don't know if it's 60 degrees. Rod holder them here, I don't remember. But them put the rod straight out there like a outrigger, you know? So you can use a straight rod though. The redfish deep drop and troll with. 4 of them. So when you see me on fish here and me anybody out there, that's how we use them. Probably put more in there in the future. Still, if me not do an upgrade, I'm gonna lie if you do an upgrade. Still, a bigger boat. Yeah, this is the boat. You know? This is the machine. So yes people, give thanks as me say one look video. Not much. About the boat here. Lighting and everything. You miss out enough man. Yeah. No spotlight like goggle eye when I use at night time. The switch here, I have to turn that on. I have one blue light, that's one next blue light. I have a running light them on the front. The navigation, green this up, starboard and port light red over there. So all of them turn on by the switcher. So one panel, just saw it empty. Just say empty, you can put on radio, you say if you want. You have VHF or one regular FM radio. If you want, space there, this is easy to cut. We have this here so now. This is a voltage thing. It tells you how much voltage. It's at a 12.2 like battery them. And then you have 2 USB charging port. You can charge your phone or anything. So I use charge up anything we want to charge, you know. 12 volts. Yeah man. And more hidden things there, I just don't remember what they are, you know. A boat are full of things. A boat are well set, you know. And all of these things with the panny, and me actually put on most of them. Top, T-top with the panny, you know. You make this put on. The flooring, when I just get that boat and I do it over the whole flooring, fresh plywood. The transom do fresh, everything do fresh over upon it. This pull out the control, pull, rewire everything, rewire with marine wire and everything. I actually know a little bit, you know. So everything redone on that boat, yeah. And I have it in the water, I got 2 years now. I hold up strong every time I come ready for go see, you know. Alright, go down and see, go check somebody now quick and fast. Yeah. I see them work on the here over there. So.